Welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to back up Comcast, also known as Xfinity emails, to your computer in the easiest way. Let's get started. There are many reasons to back up your Comcast mailbox, whether it's for data safety, moving to a new email provider, or storing important emails offline. In this video, we'll walk through two backup methods: the manual method using an email client like Outlook or Thunderbird, and the automated method using a professional backup tool. Follow the steps to save the emails manually. Open Outlook and go to File, greater than Add Account. Enter your Roadrunner email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open and Export, Import and Export. Select Export to a file, Outlook data file. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. Manual backup methods are slow, complicated, and not reliable for exporting multiple Comcast emails at once. That's why using an automated method is recommended. The best and easiest way is using a professional Comcast backup tool. It allows you to export Comcast emails into PST, PDF, EML, and many other formats while maintaining email structure and attachments. Here are the detailed steps. First, download and install the tool on your computer. Go to Open, Email Accounts, Add Accounts. Enter login details of your Comcast account. Go to Export and select the desired format like PST or EML. Set the destination path and hit the Save button. That's it. Using a professional tool gives you full control. You can export to multiple formats, maintain folder structure, back up only selected folders, and save large mailboxes quickly. Download the email backup tool on your PC from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more email backup guides.